Alright, in this video, we'll be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of C programming language. So I'll create two columns over here. The first column will list the advantages of C, while the second column will list the disadvantages of programming in C language. So let me list out the advantages first. The first major advantage of using a C programming language is that C is a low level language. Now, what do we mean by this is that when you are writing your program using C, you have full access available to access memories at byte addresses. So byte addressing of memory is allowed. This is a major advantage if you are going to write your program for hardware, something like programming your microcontrollers or microprocessors, where you need to program your register set that are present inside these chips. So if I have my microcontrollers, then these microcontrollers will have certain memory regions called registers, which can hold some data values inside it. So here I am drawing a couple of registers that looks like this, which can be of any width. I mean, usually they are going to be 32-bit wide these days, and if I need to access the content of this register, then C program is the best way to go, because C programming language gives me tools that are required to access this memory. But on the other hand, if I use any other kind of programming language, like for example Java or Python or something like that, then you don't get the same kind of access control that you get with C. So that is one major advantage of using C for programming at the hardware level. Now that was the first advantage of C programming language. The second advantage of C is that it's a small language. C has small programming language features in it. So small C feature set, and as a result of this, learning programming language like C is quite easy, because you have a very limited feature set that you need to learn, and it also helps in reducing the code complexity, because you don't need to be implementing too many things at once when you are writing programs using C. So that was the second advantage. The third advantage that I can think of is that a program written in C is highly efficient because you have access to memory areas at byte level, so you don't need to go around the hoops trying to access the hardware complex regions, and that's one advantage. The next advantage of C is that it is highly portable. Since C sits closer to the hardware level, a program written using C can more or less be run on any kind of computers, provided you have the right kind of compilers available for converting your C program to the assembly program. So once you have the right compilers, portability will not be an issue if you have written your code using C. There is another advantage of programming in C, so I'll list out over here. It's the fifth point. C has large data types. So C supports a lot of data types such as chars, ints, longs, doubles, etc. And due to the availability of such large data types, your program can be very powerful. So this leads to writing powerful programs. So that is one other advantage of writing programs using C. Then there is one final advantage of C, in that it comes with rich standard library functions. C comes with a rich standard library called stdlib and stdio, which I am sure you would have used it quite a bit. So libraries like stdio and stdlib gives me a lot of functions that I can make use of when I am writing C programs. So that is another major advantage of working with C. So now that we have listed the advantages of C programming language, let us look at the disadvantages of programming using C. The first main disadvantage of C is that C programs can be quite highly error prone. C programs can be quite error prone because the C program is highly permissible, meaning it allows me to do almost anything because it grants me access to memory at the byte level. So I can go and corrupt the memory space of other processors or other programs, and C doesn't stop me from doing that. So that's a major disadvantage of C, in that it doesn't block me from accessing memory regions that do not belong to my program. The second disadvantage of C is that it can be difficult to understand. So even though C programs can be quite compact, understanding it can be quite difficult because there might be quite a number of tricks that you can employ using C, especially when you're using features like C pointers that might not make it so readable. So if your program becomes unreadable, then the complexity of the program increases, and as a result it will become quite difficult to understand. And the third disadvantage of C is somewhat related to this same point, in that once the code becomes difficult to understand, it becomes difficult to modify as well. Difficult to modify. So if my C program is difficult to understand, and if I need to fix some bugs in it or add some additional features into the same existing program, then it becomes difficult because I might be modifying the code without fully understanding the entire program and thereby introducing new kinds of bugs into the system. So there you go. These were some of the advantages and disadvantages of C programming language, and looking at these features and advantages and disadvantages, you will be able to better judge whether you want to program your applications in C or go for other programming languages. So that was all that I had to talk about the benefits of C programs. In the next section, we will be looking at implementing some of the syntaxes of C with a few examples. I will be implementing those in my next video, so catch you in the later videos.